How to enlarge text and icons and images on the screen for easier reading on the iPhone 16 series. First, swipe up to return back to the home screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Display and Brightness. After that, we scroll down and then tap on Display Zoom. Next in here, you can choose larger text. This will help the phone to display text and icons in a larger size. Now tap on Done, then tap on Use Zoomed. And that's it. Now you notice the screen text will be larger. Then tap on Done at the bottom, at the top here to save the changes. And that's it. Now navigate around the screen and you can see that icons and images will be larger on the iPhone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.